Yet another rudder workshop for Zenith, and Viking went up there to Michigan. Steve Opperly was hosting, Sebastian and crew was there. Did have a couple other airplanes. Here's a Cozy by Bruce Pratt. He's also in Michigan, has a Viking engine and flew in. We have a separate video on him. Beautiful airplane. We also had Phil Cook. He spoke at the event. He is a CFI, can give first rides in the Zenith, fly your airplane actually. Sebastian here with Opperly, Steve Opperly. Steve inspecting one of the completed rudders. Beautiful workmanship by 11 people that went home with their rudder. Here you can see all of them completed and people getting plaques. We all hung out together at a nice brewery / restaurant in the evening. Always a great time just coming here and being with friends and customers, existing customers and potential customers. Here's Alyssa's talking about our engines. Steve showing off his 150 Viking in his 750 airplane. Phil and Steve both giving demo rides. Turned out really, really nice. People enjoyed it. Weather was good. Just all in all, a wonderful time. Steve was giving one ride after another, and the same with Phil, and also showing off the capability of both the cruiser style Zenith 750 airplane and the stall style. Phil with his 130 engine and Steve with his 150 horsepower Viking engine. As you can see, the cruiser takes a little bit more time on the ground and is accelerating, but then building a lot of speed, a lot of momentum. This is the end of the gathering. So what's he up to? Giving rides?
Oh yeah, giving rides.
Did you have that plan too?
Yeah. Sure.
So you had food, you had Sebastian here, we had
a lot of food, a lot of fun, a lot of flying.
How many rudders?
10.
And now we're doing demo rides.
Yep, that's right.
That's absolutely cool. Are you doing them as well?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, that's why you have a person in the plane.
This is my first victim here.
Your first victim?
My first victim, and then we'll have others.
Well, we're going to head out.
Okay.
And we truly enjoyed it.
Good.
And it was a great time. Thanks again.
Yep, you bet.